How to cook potato omelette. This is a delicious and nutritious recipe that many people loves to eat. Watch this video until the end so that you will come to know the ingredients and easy steps to cook potato omelette. Let's go. Hi there. Welcome to GarinTV. If you are new to this channel, just give a like. And don't forget to subscribe. How to cook potato omelette. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to cook potato omelette. First, cut the onion into 4, then cut thinly. Next, cut also the peeled potatoes into thin, like this. Heat the pan at a medium heat, and add oil. Sauté the onions. Fry the potatoes at a medium heat for 10 minutes or until it is cooked. Add salt. And stir once in a while. Then remove from heat. In a bowl, crack the eggs and beat. Add the potatoes, black pepper and garlic powder in the eggs and mash the potatoes a little bit. Mix it well, then cover and set aside for 10 minutes. In the same pan, heat and add oil. Then fry for about 2 minutes over high to medium heat. Add salt and parsley. Then flip to cook the other side for another 2 minutes. The ingredients and steps on how to cook potato omelet is in the description below. This is how to cook delicious and nutritious potato omelet. It is simple and easy. This is a delicious and nutritious recipe that many people love to eat. Potato omelet is ready. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Keep safe, and God bless everyone.